Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Tiff Dan. So today's video I am going to be teaching you how to make a delicious, nice cup of tea that's very healthy and organic. So watch this. So I have a honey lavender stress relief tea. Lavender is very calming and soothing. It's a serenity blend. Here we have coconut sugar. Which has a lot of health benefits to coconut sugar. It's very a good alternative to white sugars and refined sugars.
Right.
Then we have some organic honey that we're going to be including in our tea.
Honey's always good for antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral.
Right, okay, so how do we do it?
And so basically, well, this is when we didn't start yet.
Okay, so you double the tea bag.
Double the bags to make it a little bit more potent.
Okay.
And then we have the water boiling over here.
The water, we gotta boil the water. Okay.
Yeah, we're boiling the water. And
boiling the water. The water is boiling here. I'm just gonna wait. We're making it for a group of people who are here.
so yeah, we're doubling up on the tea bags as we stated earlier.
2 bags, 2 tea bags, not just 1, not 2.
Right, and it doesn't have to be this lavender stress release, but that is one of the ones that we're using.
And it really does help to relieve stress.
Yeah.
As I said in my other video, that the stress relief tea is really good. It helps me. It has a relaxed mind tea by Yogi. Their teas are really good, so I still totally suggest that.
You don't have to, like I made some for my sister earlier and she didn't want any sugar. So you don't have to have the sugars if you don't want to. I'm a sugary person. I like a little sweet. So I'll go for like coconut sugar, agave.
Okay. So we're gonna take our hot water and all right.
So we're gonna put it in the tea bags, and then we're gonna just let them steep for a little bit.
Okay, so we're just gonna let them steep, and steep means to just let it
sit with the herbal.
Let it sit with the. Steep means to let it sit with the herbs. You're gonna let it steep and just absorb all the good nutrients and herbs and flavors that are gonna be coming out of the water. And when we steep, we can put a plate over top of it or something over top of it. It's optional, but that's the way that I usually like to let it steep. And we could do that for like 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
One of the main reasons why you can use honey, and you don't have to put it in tea, you can put it in, but it's good for antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral. It's
Antifungal,
like,
antibacterial,
it's a curative
antiviral.
for like the superbugs. So if anybody has like a cold or unrelenting cold or flu or any kind of infection like that, it's really good.
And wildflower honey is really good for allergies, especially around this time, this season. Raw honey is best. We didn't have any on hand, raw honey, but we have the organic kind. So we're just gonna use that. Add the sugar. We're gonna do what? We're gonna do 1 tablespoon
of the coconut sugar.
Of the coconut sugar.
And it kind of gives it a dark color to it, a real dark color to it. That's the coconut.
Okay.
Okay. And then we're gonna add a little honey to it.
And honey. So that measurement is a little off. How much would you say that?
Probably a tablespoon. It depends on how
About
you like
a tablespoon. I would say a tablespoon or 2. Actually, I would say 2 tablespoons would be good if you like it sweet.
Yeah, I like it sweet.
Yeah.
I'm a sweetheart.
and I'm sweet tea. Sweet Tiffany. So we're using actually 3 lumps of tea of sugar, coconut sugar. So we just did 3. And is it? Yeah, wait, let's see. 10 like just. All right, so yeah, 3 lumps, and let's do a taste test to make sure that it's as good as we're claiming it to be. Can this one be mine?
Well, this actually is yours.
Okay. All right. Also got like a sweet and spicy one that seems pretty cool. Is this sweet and spicy? Is this sweet and spicy?
It just says sweet and spicy on there, so
this one?
That's what it is. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that.
I want sweet and spicy.
Yeah, I think that's sweet and spicy. Just look at it.
So it's good earth. Yeah. Mmm. Enjoy a spa tea. It tastes so good. You put your bloody thing in this.
Okay.
See, I'm not just saying that because I made it and concocted this recipe. Someone else is drinking tea. How is it? Taste it.
It's absolutely fabulous.
Yeah, it's really good. Scenery is also so calming. So if you have it around some nice plants, sit down and enjoy yourself, and take in the ambiance and help yourself to some nice stress relieving tea. This is Herbal, and it's delicious, it's helpful, and it does relax your mind and tension. So I wouldn't put things out there if it wasn't true. Good day, mate.